In this video, I want to show you how you can be able to delete videos on TikTok. Maybe you have a video you uploaded on your TikTok account that you want to delete and you don't know how to delete it. This is how you go about it. For example, these are the list of my uploaded videos in my TikTok. If I want to delete any of it now, all I need to do is just to click on the video I want to delete, for example. Then you click on the three dots. Down here, you scroll to the side. You see delete here. Once you click on this delete, your TikTok video will be deleted. So guys, I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.